Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the spooky fun of Halloween with a unique twist on a classic game. I'm excited to share with you the JOYIN Halloween foam bowling set, perfect for adding a festive touch to your upcoming Halloween parties. This isn't your ordinary bowling set. It's designed specifically with Halloween in mind, featuring vibrant and fun Halloween-themed graphics that really bring the spirit of the holiday to life. Let's talk about what makes this bowling set a standout choice for your Halloween festivities. Firstly, it includes 10 foam bowling pins and 2 foam bowling balls. The pins stand at a kid-friendly height of 7.5 inches, with a bowling ball diameter of 4 inches, making them safe and easy to handle for children of all ages. What I really appreciate about this set is its durability. Made from soft, yet sturdy foam material, you won't have to worry about scratches on your floors or walls during playtime. Plus, it meets US toy safety standards, so you can rest assured it's safe for your little ones. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party indoors or outdoors, this bowling set is a fantastic addition. It's versatile enough to entertain at home, in the backyard, or even at a school event. Imagine the laughter and excitement as kids line up to knock down these themed pins. Another great feature is its ease of setup and storage. The lightweight foam pins are easy to arrange and pack away, making cleanup a breeze after the festivities wind down. With over 140 positive ratings on Amazon, customers are loving this set for its quality, design, and the joy it brings to their Halloween celebrations. It's been rated highly for its value and durability, which are key factors when choosing a toy like this. So, whether you're looking to add a bit of festive flair to your Halloween party or searching for a fun activity the whole family can enjoy, the JOYIN Halloween foam bowling set is an excellent choice. It's safe, durable, and sure to create lasting memories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy bowling and happy Halloween.